When you search for the best smart home security cameras, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, WIZE Cam Pan V3. First up is the WIZE Cam Pan V3. Priced at about $65.61, this camera caught my eye with its impressive pan and tilt features. If you want an affordable camera that covers a lot of ground, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 1080p HD clarity, you get crystal clear video, allowing you to zoom in and identify faces from a good distance. Plus, the color night vision means you can keep an eye on your home even when it's dark, which is essential if you're worried about nighttime break-ins. The AI-powered motion tracking is another big plus, as it can follow moving pets or people, sending you alerts in real time. Now, some people complained about it not being 5G compatible. Here's the thing though, most home networks use 4 GHz, which this camera supports, so it's not a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, feature-packed camera for both indoor and outdoor use. Skip this one if you absolutely need a 5G compatible device or if you want something with advanced smart home integrations. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the lack of 5G compatibility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Blink Mini 2K Plus. Next up is the Blink Mini 2K Plus, which comes in at around $69.99. This little guy caught my attention with its compact design and 2K video resolution. If you're looking for a smart camera that doesn't compromise on detail, this might be the one for you. The 2K video resolution combined with up to 4x zoom means you can capture intricate details even in low light conditions. This is crucial for identifying faces or license plates, and you won't miss a thing with its smart detection features for people and vehicles. Plus, the two-way talk with noise cancellation makes it feel like you're having a real conversation, which is great for keeping in touch with family or pets. But some users mention that it requires an optional subscription for advanced features. I'll be real with you, while that can be frustrating for many, the basic functionality is enough, making it still a great buy. This is perfect for you if you want a compact camera with excellent video quality and smart features. Skip this one if you're not interested in additional subscriptions or if you want an outdoor-only model. Overall, it offers good value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more flexible recording option. Product number 3, WIZE Cam OG. Now let's talk about the WIZE Cam OG, priced at just $59.96. It's a fantastic choice if you want something that handles both indoor and outdoor monitoring without breaking the bank. If you want versatility, this is definitely worth a look. With 1080p HD video and color night vision, it ensures you can monitor your home around the clock. The instant motion and sound alerts mean you'll know the moment something happens, and you can tailor your notifications to avoid false alarms. It's super easy to set up, making it user-friendly for anyone. Plus, it offers both cloud and local storage options, meaning you can pick what works best for you. Now, some folks had issues with the outdoor power adapter being sold separately. But honestly, if you're willing to invest a little more for outdoor use, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable camera for both indoor and outdoor use without hidden costs. Skip this if you need something that's completely wireless or don't want to deal with additional accessories. For the price, you're getting a lot of features here. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more advanced tech, let's move to the next option. Product number 4, Ring Indoor Cam. Next, we have the Ring Indoor Cam, which retails for about $49.99. This camera is a crowd favorite, and it's easy to see why. If you want a reputable brand that delivers quality, this one's hard to beat. With its 1080p HD video and color night vision, you can see everything clearly day or night. The advanced pre-roll feature records a few seconds before a motion event, so you get the full picture of what happened. Plus, the manual privacy cover allows you to feel secure when you don't want to be watched. This is a huge selling point for privacy-conscious users. That said, some users found the subscription for additional features a bit pricey. Here's the thing, if you're looking for basic monitoring, you can still use it effectively without subscribing. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable indoor camera from a trusted brand. Skip this if you're looking for outdoors functionality or if subscription costs put you off. Given its features, it's definitely worth considering. Finally, if you want something budget-friendly with solid features, the last one on our list might just be for you. Product number 5, TP-Link Topo C100. Last but not least, we have the TP-Link Topo C100, priced at an unbeatable $15.96. If you're on a tight budget but still want decent security, this camera could be your lifesaver. With 1080p video quality and 30 feet of night vision, it captures everything clearly, even at night. The two-way audio lets you check in on your loved ones or pets from anywhere. However, a few users mentioned that it only connects via a 4 GHz network. Honestly, for most households, that's not a big issue, but if you're set on 5G, this might not be your pick. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable indoor camera without fancy features. Skip this if you need something more advanced or outdoor capable. For what you're paying, it's a steal. So there you have it, 5 smart home security cameras that cater to different needs and budgets. From the versatile WIZE CamPan V3 to the budget-friendly TP-Link Topo C100, there's something for everyone. Whatever you choose, just make sure it fits your specific security needs. Thanks for tuning in.